If you're looking for the best drone for aerial photography, travel videos, or professional filmmaking, you're in the right place. Drones have become incredibly powerful in recent years, offering 4K cameras, long flight times, intelligent tracking, and obstacle avoidance in compact designs. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best DJI and DJI-style camera drones you can buy in 2026. Whether you're a beginner pilot or a professional content creator, there's something here for everyone. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. So let's get started. Number 1. Holystone HS360S GPS Drone. The Holystone HS360S is a great option for beginners who want advanced drone features without paying premium prices. This drone weighs under 249 grams, which means in many countries you won't need drone registration. Despite its lightweight design, it packs a 4K UHD camera capable of capturing detailed aerial photos and smooth video. It also offers an impressive 10,000-foot control range with 5 GHz FPV transmission, giving you stable real-time video on your phone. The brushless motors provide quieter flight and improved durability. Smart features like Follow Me mode, GPS positioning, and Smart Return Home make flying much easier for beginners. Pros: lightweight under 249 g, 4K UHD camera, 10,000-foot control range, Follow Me and GPS tracking. Overall, the HS360S is an excellent beginner drone with solid range and smart flight features. Number 2. GPS 4K camera drone for adults. Next on the list is another budget-friendly GPS drone designed for beginners and casual users. This drone comes with a 4K camera and 5G FPV transmission, allowing you to capture aerial footage while viewing live video on your smartphone. It also features Auto Return Home, which automatically brings the drone back when the battery is low or the signal is lost. This is a great safety feature for new pilots. With brushless motors and extended flight distance, the drone offers stable flight and improved power efficiency. Its compact and lightweight design under 250 grams makes it portable and travel-friendly. Pros: beginner-friendly controls, 4K camera recording, Auto Return Home safety feature, lightweight and portable. This is a great starter drone for learning aerial photography without spending too much money. Number 3. DJI Mavic 2 Pro. The DJI Mavic 2 Pro is one of the most respected drones ever made, especially for professional aerial photography. It features a Hasselblad 20-megapixel camera with a 1-inch CMOS sensor, delivering stunning image quality with excellent dynamic range. The drone can record 4K HDR video, making it perfect for cinematic content creation. Another highlight is the adjustable aperture, which allows photographers to control exposure and depth of field directly from the drone. The 3-axis gimbal stabilization ensures ultra-smooth footage even in windy conditions. With speeds up to 48 miles per hour and advanced obstacle sensing, this drone offers both power and safety. Pros: Hasselblad professional camera, 1-inch CMOS sensor, adjustable aperture for photography, excellent flight stability. Even in 2026, the Mavic 2 remains one of the best drones for professional creators. Number 4. Professional 4K drone with tablet remote. If you're looking for maximum features and long flight time, this upgraded professional drone is a strong contender. It includes a touchscreen tablet remote controller, allowing you to control the drone without relying entirely on your phone. The drone features 4K HD video with a 3-axis anti-shake gimbal, ensuring stable cinematic footage. One standout feature is its 360-degree obstacle avoidance, which helps prevent crashes while flying through complex environments. It also offers up to 84 minutes of total battery life and a control range of up to 5 miles. Additional features include 50 zoom, payload release, time-lapse shooting, and rainproof design. Pros: 3-axis stabilized 4K camera, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, very long flight time, touchscreen controller. This drone is ideal for serious aerial photographers and advanced drone users. Number 5. Specta Mini 4K Drone. Rounding out our list is the Specta Mini 4K drone, a compact drone designed for portability and ease of use. It weighs under 249 grams, making it perfect for travelers who want a lightweight drone they can carry anywhere. Despite its small size, it offers a 3-axis gimbal and 4K video recording at 30 FPS, delivering smooth and stable footage. The drone also offers an impressive 32,800-foot FPV transmission range, giving you a strong, long-distance connection. With 31 minutes of flight time and beginner-friendly controls, it's a great choice for new pilots. Pros: ultra-portable design, 3-axis stabilized camera, long FPV transmission range, beginner-friendly flight modes. For travelers and beginners, the Specta Mini offers a great balance between portability and performance. Alright, that wraps up our list of the top 5 best DJI drones you can buy in 2026. Whether you're a beginner looking for an easy-to-fly drone or a professional searching for high-quality aerial footage, these drones offer some of the best features available today. If you want to check out any of these drones, you'll find the product links in the description below, where you can see the latest prices and deals. If this video helped you choose the right drone, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews, buying guides, and top 5 gadgets. Also, let me know in the comments below which drone you like the most or which one you're planning to buy. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.